In this lecture, we will discuss the second tool, that is Android Studio. So let's get started. Android Studio is the official integrated development environment or IDE for developing Android applications. Here are some key points about Android Studio. It is built on the IntelliJ ADI platform, providing a robust and feature-rich environment for developing Android applications. It also supports multi-programming languages including Java and Kotlin, and includes support for the Android SDK and other development libraries. It provides various tools for testing and debugging Android applications, including emulators and virtual devices. Android Studio installation practical. To install Android Studio on a Windows machine, follow these steps. Open your browser, type Android Studio into the search bar, then press enter. Navigate to the official Android Studio download site. Scroll down to the Android Studio download section and click the latest version for Windows to download it. Once the file is downloaded, double-click on the Android Studio executable to install Android Studio onto your system. Now, we will demonstrate how to use Android Studio to create an emulator. Open Android Studio and navigate to Device Manager. Click on the Create Device option and choose Galaxy Nexus from the list of available phones. Click Next to move on to the next step. Choose an operating system of your choice. For this demonstration, we will choose Android 10 and click on Next. Type in your device's name and then click Finish. Once it is initialized, click on the Start icon from the Action column. For the final step, click Device Manager to open the emulator. We can check whether the emulator is online by opening the command line console, typing ADB devices and hitting enter. Here we can observe that the emulator is online and working fine.